Hello, everyone. It's me, Miss Hanner. We're back again going over some math strategies. So today we are going over, we'll be in our Envision Pearson Learning math curriculum. And we are on topic 1-2, which is understand whole number and place value. Okay, so let's get to our place value chart. Always have a place value chart somewhere near you so that you can write on it. You can use it as a resource. It's very helpful. So we're not going to deal with our decimals today. We are going to work in the whole numbers, which is, here's our decimal point right here in this little blank little white spot. We're going to work to the left. That's all our whole numbers, okay? Not pieces of a number, our whole numbers. So first we have our ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So let's start by putting some numbers in our place value chart. Let's see. We got, I guess I need a color. Pick blue. So we have 9, 8, 7, 7, 5, 2, 1. And I always like to make sure I put my commas in so that I can see where my, I did that wrong. So I can see where my, places are. Okay, so if I read this number, I would have 9,877,521. That is my number. So if I want to look at this, and I'm going to look at my tens place and my thousands place, this is something I really want you to think about. So if I look at my 7 in the 10,000s place and my 7 in the thousands place, the number in the 10,000s place is 10 times the value of the other 7. 10 times the value of the 7 in the thousands place. Okay, think about it as 10 times the value. All right, so that is very important to remember and to understand. So 10 times the value. Now, when it comes to looking at our place value, we want to be able to write those in expanded form. Okay, so we write in expanded form. So I'm just going to type that over here real quick. We have expanded form. That is what you want to look at for today. So if we have expanded form and we're thinking about our places, now we know when we do our powers of 10, if you have a power of 10, I'm actually not going to type that because it won't come out right. So I'm going to do my powers of 10, and I have my exponent. The 10 is my base, and the 4 is my exponent. This exponent is going to tell me how many zeros I'm going to need after my number. Okay? So if I were to look at this chart right here, I know I have a 9 in the millions place. So I'm going to say 9 times, let's see how many zeros would be after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'll be times 10 to the 6th power. Okay. Then I'm going to add that. I'm going to look at my next place. I have an 8 in the hundreds place, 100,000s place, excuse me. 8 times 10. Let's see how many places after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, if you pay attention and you notice, you're going to see that it goes down a number of each place value. All right, now I'm going to look again. I have a 7 in my thousands place. I'm putting those in parentheses. You know, my parentheses is telling me what I need to group together. So 7 times 10,000s. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is times 10 to the 4th power. Then we have another 7. And remember, we're talking about that 10 is 10 times the value of the number to the right of it. So if I have 7 times 10 to the 3rd power, because I have 1, 2, 3 zeros after that. Now I have a 5 in my hundreds place. 5 times 10, 1, 2, to the 2nd power, plus our last place right here. We have 5 times 10 to the 1st power. . I'm sorry. Let me erase real quick. So that's not a 10. That would be a 2. See, I'm not perfect either. We got it. It's okay. And then I'm going to add my last place. And I'm going to just put it over here, even though it's a little farther away. And we have that 1 times 10 to the 0 power. Whenever you see 10 to the 0 power, 10 to the 0 power is equal to 1. Okay? 10 to the 0 power is equal to 1. It's not equal to 0. So that is your ones place. So for this number of 9,877,521, ooh, that was a mouthful. I have 9 times 10 to the 6th power, 8 times 10 to the 5th power, 7 times 10 to the 4th power, 7 times 10 to the 3rd power, plus, and I'm meant to say plus in each of those, 5 times 10 to the 2nd power, plus 2 times 10 to the 1st power, plus 1 times 10 to the 0 power, which is equal to our 9,877,521. That is that number written in, oh, I got a typo up here, you guys, expanded form. All right. So we're going to cross that out. Everybody, my brain and my fingers were moving a little bit faster than my fingers. So we got expanded form right there. All right. So right there you have expanded form, and we're looking at that large number. So I hope you understood. Remember, you have this tape. You can always pause it and